This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So I will show you how to do that. First, you would have to go to Settings, which is here. Then you go to Advanced, Code Injections. You will go to Footer. So you have to add a script library to the footer, which I got from developers.google.com. You can just add it there. Then you will add a script tag again and put some code in there. So you will get it. So the way to do it is you right click and inspect. So first want to see, so you want to change this name. So you see it would be the class cart label. So we would do this document the function. So in that document, you will do this. And then you can just paste the cart label because it's a class, it will have a dot. And then you close it. And change it to access. Save it. And it's changed. So then you can just go add some CSS. You go back to design, custom CSS. Then you'll add, so let me just show you again, right click, inspect. So the span. I think he said font is this font. Is that important? And we would have font size. $13 pixels. Important again. Font weight 100. And spacing. I'm assuming it's line spacing for this. And that's it. Click save, and that should be it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.